What's going on, people? Keith Moore Jr. here, and today I will be performing an ab workout for you to follow along with. So this ab routine is for people of all fitness levels, and if you are a beginner, then just reduce the number of sets that you are performing. So I will be performing 4 to 5 sets for all 3 of these exercises. If you are a beginner, then just do 2 to 3 sets. Now, if you find this video helpful, please like it. Leave a comment below of how this ab workout made you feel. And I am down 11 pounds now in 2.5 weeks. So that's just an update for the channel. Keep in mind, abs are made in the kitchen, but I still have to work them in the gym. But if I had a bad diet, then it wouldn't matter what ab workouts I performed in the gym. So just keep that in mind, because a lot of people will say, well, I work my abs this much, but I'm not seeing any results. But their diet, their nutrition is not on point. So also subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. And all of my ab workouts are in a playlist, and I will continue to add to that weekly, because we are bringing back the 6-pack abs. No more bulking. It's time to get shredded. So no more talking. I hope you all enjoyed the workout. And once again, let me know what you think. Share the video with a friend. And stay tuned for more content. I appreciate the support as always. Let's get it.